Now we're under contract. What's next? This is exciting, isn't it? But don't get too excited just yet. We have to go through the due diligence timeframe and process. During this time, the buyers will secure their loan, have any inspections on the property they'd like done, and review their inspections to decide what repairs they would like to ask the seller to complete, or in some instances, they may ask for a credit. This is also their time to terminate the contract due to what is found in the inspections if the buyer and seller cannot come to terms on what repairs may be done. Or they can terminate really for any reason at all during this time. The due diligence period typically takes anywhere from 14 to 21 days, depending on what is initially agreed upon in the contract. Also during this time, sellers are required to give the buyer's inspectors reasonable access to the home for all inspections and ensure power, water, and gas, if there's gas, is on for these inspections. This is why it's essential to hire an agent like myself who knows how to properly navigate the due diligence process. So I always advise my clients not to start packing their bags until at the very minimum the due diligence date has been completed, unless you absolutely have to for things like a PCS or job relocation. Watch below to see what's next and what to expect, and feel free to personally reach out to me at any time so I can get more details about you and find out what your needs are so I know how to properly serve and advise you on what you need to do. As always, I'm Sarah Solaita, and I hope you have a great day.